Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to have a look at logs. I don't mean this kind of logs, I mean this kind of logs. So we have a simple test here in Cypress, and again, simple, right? And if we run this simple test, we would expect that the logs that are there or the log entries that are there are few and that we can follow everything really fast. Let's see if that's actually the case. So yeah, it seems to be taking a few seconds, but not to worry. So it navigates to the page and okay, this is new, good. So my test will fail at the moment. And okay, I get where it fails, I get what I need to do because I have an error right here. However, I do have something extra. I have all of these entries regarding XHR requests. So all of these requests that are being made that in reality for me when I'm debugging my test has absolutely nothing to do with my actual test. I mean, if one of these requests were to fail, it is not because my code is wrong. In this case, yeah, my code is wrong. I do not have any code that handles the cookies, but I would need to scroll and see, okay, where is the error? What do I need to fix? And there is a way to actually to not show this XHR request. You need to add some code under end-to-end.js. So what you need to do is basically add code like this. Do not worry, I'll go through it and explain why this works. Because Cypress is basically an application that is installed on your computer, you can perform actions that go on that have impacts on the DOM, so impacts on in the end on how Cypress looks and how Cypress behaves. This is essentially also the way how the Cypress plugins function. You modify the DOM by JavaScript in this case, and you get a Cypress that is better looking. Now this code does the following: it searches for the elements that you log, and from there it will hide everything that has to do with XHR. Now do not worry, like I said, I will copy this and post it into the description, into the comments, but first let's see if it works. So we run our test right now. Performs the visit, and for some reason, I mean not for some reason, because I approved it before, but as you can see, only the elements which are related to our test actually are present right now. So no XHR requests, no XHR entries, and there you have it. This was how you can handle your logs better in Cypress. As always, do not forget to rest, then test, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one and bye bye.